I will start by accepting the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will make an initial guess of inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. I will click the search field, type the title, select the first result, and then click the guess button. Type card is green for inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released after 2010. Red arrow up with an IMDb rating lower than 8.8. Red arrow down. Action is a matching genre. Adventure and sci-fi are not. No actors or directors from inception overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2010, rating 8.8. Genre includes action. Type card is green for inception, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. Action is a confirmed genre. I will guess John Wick 2014, which is an action movie released after 2010 with a rating around 7.4. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4 movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie has a rating of exactly 7.6 green but was released before 2023. Red arrow down. Action is a matching genre green, while crime and thriller are not gray. No actors or directors from this guess overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2023, rating equals 7.6. Genre, action not crime/thriller. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4, so target medium equals movie. The target movie has an IMDb rating of exactly 7.6 and was released between 2011 and 2022. It is an action movie but not crime or thriller. Deadpool 2016 fits these criteria perfectly with a 7.6 rating and action/adventure/comedy genres. Type card is green for Deadpool movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2016. Yellow arrow up and has a rating lower than 8.0. Yellow arrow down. Action is a matching genre green, while comedy and sci-fi are not. No actors or directors from Deadpool overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2017-2018, rating 7.5-7.9. Genre, action. Type card is green for Deadpool, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2016. Yellow arrow up and has a rating lower than 8.0. Yellow arrow down. It is an action movie. Mission Impossible Fallout 2018 has a 7.7 rating and fits the action genre perfectly. I will click the search field, type the title, select the result, and click guess. Type card is green for Deadpool, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2016 and has a rating lower than 8.0. I previously tried to guess Mission Impossible Fallout, but the UI shows the Fallout, which is a different movie. I will clear the field, type Fallout, select the correct Mission Impossible entry from the dropdown, and click guess. Type card is red for Fallout TV series. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2024. Red arrow down and has a rating lower than 8.3. Red arrow down. Action is a matching genre green, while comedy and sci-fi are not. No actors or directors from the Fallout series overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2024, rating 8.3. Genre, action. Type card is red for Fallout TV series, so target medium equals movie. Previous feedback for John Wick 4 movie showed rating equals 7.6 is green exact match and year 2023. Deadpool movie showed year 2016. I will guess Mission Impossible Fallout 2018, which is an action movie with a 7.7 rating close to 7.6 and fits the 2017-2018 year range. Type card is green for Mission Impossible Fallout movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie has a rating of exactly 7.6 from John Wick 4 feedback and was released in 2017 or 2018. Yellow arrow up from Deadpool 2016, red arrow down from MI, Fallout 2018. Action is a matching genre. The pixelated poster shows a central figure with a wide-brimmed hat, possibly a western or period piece. Constraints: movie, year 2017, rating 7.6. Genre, action. Type card is green for Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1, so target medium equals movie. The rating is exactly 7.6 green. The year is older than 2023. Red arrow down. From previous feedback, the year is newer than 2016. Deadpool and older than 2018. MI, Fallout. This points to 2017. Logan 2017 is an action movie with a rating that was 8.1 but might be 7.6 in this database, and the pixelated poster hint shows a figure that could be Wolverine. Type card is green for Logan movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 2017 green and has a rating lower than 8.1. Yellow arrow down. Action and drama are matching genres green, while sci-fi is not. No actors or directors from Logan overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2017, rating 7.6 from John Wick 4 feedback, genres, action and drama not sci-fi. Type card is green for Logan, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 2017 green. The rating is exactly 7.6 from John Wick 4 feedback. The genres are action and drama green, but not sci-fi gray. Wind River 2017 is an action/drama/crime movie with a 7.7 rating close to 7.6 and fits the visual hint of a snowy/outdoor setting. Type card is green for Wind River movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 2017 green and has a rating lower than 7.7. Yellow arrow down. From a John Wick 4 feedback, the rating is exactly 7.6. Drama is a matching genre green, while crime and mystery are not. No actors or directors from Wind River overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2017, rating 7.6. Genre, drama and action from Logan feedback, but not crime, mystery, or sci-fi. Type card is green for Wind River, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 2017 green. The rating is exactly 7.6 from John Wick 4 feedback. Genres include action and drama green. Only the Brave 2017 is an action/drama/biography with a 7.6 rating and fits a visual hint of a figure in a hat firefighter helmet. I found the target movie, Only the Brave 2017, in 8 guesses. The key clues were the exact 7.6 IMDb rating and the 2017 release year, which combined with the action and drama genres to lead me straight to the answer.